Welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to take indices, logarithms, and sets. So to begin with, let's consider this. Let's say we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is the same as 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the same as 2 to the power 4. The same vein, if we consider 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2 to the power 5. So what we have here, the 4 is actually what? The exponent. So the 4 is the exponent. And then the 2 here is the base. The 2 is the base. Same here, the 5 is the exponent, and then the 2 is the base. The exponent, or it can still be called an index. Plural form, we call it the indices, where this word is verb, indices. Now, we have these calculations, or to consider, let's say, we have first let's consider 2 to the power 4, which is the whole of this. 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we have a calculation like this, now since they both have the same base, or the difference is in the what? In the exponent or the index, we have a simple calculation where we have that. Now let's count the number of 2's over here, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is the same as our 2 to the power 9. And this can be given to us by our 2 to the power 4 plus 5. Now, having this, it has left the rule that 1, or first let's put that here. This have left the rule that equation 1, okay, let's put that here. Equation 1, let's say any base a to the power m multiplying a to the power n should be the same as a to the power m plus n. Okay, in the same vein, let's consider the first one, which is this be I. Considering the first one, we have 2 to the power 4 will be divided by 2 to the power 5. Okay, now having 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 5, this is equally the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 all over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now we know that all this will cancel, so let's cancel out. This cancels this, this takes this, this takes this, this takes this. We'll be left with what? Only 1 over 2. So this is going to give us only 1 over 2, which is the same as 2 to the power minus 1. Okay, but let's consider that what? The power 5 comes before the power 4, which we consider it in a way that, let's say, we have 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 4. This will give us a good picture where we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 all over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, then we know that all this will cancel. Alright, so this also takes away this, this takes away this. So what is remaining is what? 2. So we are only left with 2. And this is also giving us a rule that, okay, this that we have found here is the same as having 2 to the power 5 is the same as having 2 to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 4, which has given us 2 to the power 1, which we have over here, which we had over here. So we have the second rule that, so this is any base to the power m divided by a to the power n should be a to the power m minus n. Here, our m is greater than n. By the first case, here, we realize that our 4 was greater than our 5, but we'll see situation in this case as well. Okay, let's consider also the third one. Okay, let's say we have 2 to the power 4 all to the power 2. You know, this is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. All this times 2 to the power 2. So this is the same as times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, what does this give us? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So indirectly, first we are having what? First, so this is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 4. But from the first rule, when the same basis to different exponents or same exponent are multiplying, we only add what? The index. So adding the index here, we can have what? 2 to the power 8. This is 2 to the power 8, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means that our third rule, which is our a to the power m all to the power n, this is the same as a to the power m times n. Okay, so these are the three basic main rules of indices. Now let's derive the others from these three main rules. Let's take away this first.